Hey guys, Nolan here. This is your May 15th featured hike. So we're going from the bridge at Rockway to Louth Falls along the Bruce Trail. I think it's around 5-ish kilometers. So it's not too bad, but it's a lot of up and down, really dangerous areas, I'd say. So make sure you're careful, take your time. I'm not gonna be taking my time, I gotta rush today, but you take your time. But yeah. But there's a deer literally just crossed in front of me. Hi. Crazy. Deer up here, there's like a whole fam jam of them. Oh, get on my freaking... Oh, Nano, I lost them. Where'd they go? Oh, they're way over there now. Holy crap. Okay guys, that's been your May 15th featured hike. Be safe, enjoy. Bring lots of like water, Gatorade stuff. It's tiring. Bye-bye.